Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Both Apex accounts must be active, and you need login access plus any 2 FA codes. Once done, sign into Origin or EA Desktop on the primary account. Make sure the secondary device is ready to sign in too. Next, open Apex Legends, Access Settings, then Account or Connected Accounts. You do this now because the link flow requires both sessions. Failing to have 2 FA or email access will stop you mid-process, so check those details first. Now you perform the core steps. In Account Settings, choose Connect Account or link EA ID, and when the prompt appears, enter the other Apex account credentials. Pay attention to permission requests. Authorize cross-account access so progression and cosmetics transfer correctly. If 2 FA prompts appear, provide codes immediately. Once authorized, watch for confirmation screens and email notices. These confirm the accounts are paired. If you see mismatched names, pause and recheck which EA ID you signed into. Correcting that now avoids data Finish by verifying the linked status in Account Settings. Check that Progress, Cosmetics, and Platforms show correctly. Then log out and relog on both Origin/EA Desktop and Apex to force a sync. If items or progress are missing, do not panic. Revoke the connection, wait about 15 minutes, then retry the link sequence. This clears session caches and often fixes propagation delays. If linking still fails, contact EA support with account ID and timestamps. Provide screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.